Hi children, welcome to Social Science class. Today we will see a book back exercises of Civics Unit 3 in the lesson of Road Safety. First Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, road safety is meant for dash. The answer is option D, all who use roads. Second question, road accidents affect a country's dash. The answer is all the above. That means improvement, life, finance, all the above. Okay. Third question, permit refers to. The answer is option A, permission for driving. Fourth question, Raksha Safe Drive is a device useful for. The answer is option C, car drivers. Fifth question, Road Safety Week celebration was first imitated in India in the year dash. The answer is option B, 1989. The Road Safety Week celebration was first imitated in India in the year of 1989. The second Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, the most useful invention of man for transport is dash. The answer is wheel. Second question, using dash is inevitable in our journey of life. The answer is vehicles. Third question, too many vehicles on the road cause dash and dash pollution. The too many vehicles on the road cause traffic jam and more pollution. Fourth question, dash is the monetary supporter of a family. The answer is breadwinners is the monetary supporter of the family. Fifth question, in case of emergency for medical assistance call dash for help. The answer is 108. The third Roman, match the following. First question, informatory sign. The answer is petrol pump sign. Second one, zebra crossing. The answer is walkers. Third one, mandatory sign. The answer is traffic lights. Fourth one, cautionary sign. The answer is narrow bend sign. Fifth one, right to drive a vehicle. The answer is license. License is the right to drive a vehicle. Fourth Roman, consider the following statements. First question, take the appropriate answer. Assertion, carpooling is the use of vehicles by turns. Result, it saves fuel, time and money and also. The answer is option B, A is correct and R is also correct. Second question, find the odd one. Option car, trucks, tempos, aeroplanes. The answer is option D, aeroplanes. Third question, find the following statements are true or false. First question, road safety education in the school curriculum is an additional burden for the students. This is false because this is very essential syllabus or essential curriculum for the students. Second question, an ounce of practice is worth more than tons of preaching. The answer is true. Third question, hoarding on roads has to be banned. The answer is true. Fourth question, following road safety rules from childhood will become a habit in future. The answer is true. The fifth Roman, answer in one or two sentences. First question, what are the distractors while driving? Answer is talking over the mobile phone or texting message or engaging in any activities, attention diverted from driving. The second question, mention the two safety gears for safe driving. Use of helmets for two-wheelers and seat belts for four-wheelers are the two safety gears for safety driving. Third question, why is not safe to drive in nights? An extra alertness is needed while driving at night. The uncontrolled sleep tiredness due to long drive, poor lighting on the road can cause fatal accidents. That's why we should not drive in nights. Fourth question, when can a person obtain the right to drive a vehicle? The answer is one should be eligible to get a driving license at the age of 18. One who drives a vehicle should have undergone the training and test to obtain a driving license. Fifth question, how can media promote road safety among the public? Mass media and journals could play a key role to raise awareness on road safety. In particular, they can disseminate preventive messages and promote safe behaviors, increase people's knowledge and understanding of the gravity of the problem, and advocate for safer roads and systems. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.